How's it going, everyone? So, to show you what I've been up to, I just bought myself some of these hybrid steppers, and yeah, I'm just working on getting these wired up for this conversion. Yeah, now I'm going to get everything put into this enclosure again. But yeah, that's it really. I got these from Stepper online. They seem to be pretty good. They were on eBay, so yeah, they don't seem to be too bad. And I come across a few of these Snapmaker modular CNCs, 3D printers, and it's got laser head on it. So yeah, I got 4. I'm keeping one for myself, and I'm selling the other 3. So I got 2 250s, and I got 150. Yeah, they seem, building it seems really good. But I have watched a few videos on it, and yeah, it does have some limitations, but for what it is, I think it's a good little machine. Yeah, so I got 3 of these. If anyone's interested, make us an offer, and yeah, if it's a reasonable offer, I will be putting them on eBay soon enough as well. That's the screen. Yeah, they're all brand new in boxes, sealed up. So yeah, if you make a reasonable offer, I will consider it. Alright.